In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Authy account. First, you'll want to open the Authy app on your iPhone or Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. You can easily download and install Authy from the official website or your device's app store. Authy is a free two-factor authentication app. Once you find the app, tap on it to launch. This is an essential step because the app is the gateway for setting up your two-factor authentication. You will see a clean interface welcoming you to start your journey toward better security. Now that you have the app open, it's time to enter your phone number. Authy requires a phone number to create an account and verify ownership. This step is crucial because it links your Authy account to a unique identifier, ensuring that only you can access your authentication codes. As you type in your number, make sure it is correct. A small error could lead to issues during the verification process. Once you've entered your phone number, tap on the next button to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your number. Authy will send you an SMS code or give you a phone call to confirm that the number is indeed yours. This step adds an important layer of security to your account. You'll see a prompt asking you to enter the code. Check your messages or listen for the call to retrieve the code. Inputting this code not only verifies your ownership but also ensures that your account is secure. Once you've entered the code, tap the verification button. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your number has been successfully verified. With your phone number verified, you can now choose whether to enable encrypted backups. This feature allows you to secure your account data in case you lose your device. If you opt for this, you will need to create a backup password. It is essential to save this password somewhere safe because Authy cannot recover it for you. This is important as it ensures that you can access your codes even if you switch devices or lose your phone. After creating your backup password, confirm it and proceed to the next step. Once your account is created, you are ready to add accounts by scanning QR codes. These codes are typically provided by websites that support two-factor authentication. This is a straightforward process. You will see an option in the app to add an account. Tap on it and your camera will activate, allowing you to scan the QR code displayed on your computer or another device. This step is significant because it links your Authy app to your various online accounts, enhancing their security with two-factor authentication codes. Keep in mind that Authy does not create logins for websites such as Twitch or Binance. Instead, it stores the security codes used to protect those accounts with two-factor authentication. This means that while Authy helps secure your accounts, you will still need to remember your login credentials. Using Authy simplifies the process of logging into those accounts securely, knowing that you have an extra layer of protection. By following these steps, you have successfully created your Authy account and set it up for two-factor authentication. You're now better protected against unauthorized access to your online accounts. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with enhanced security. Thank you for watching.